How to change Starlink password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Starlink password. For this, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Starlink. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. For that, tap on the install button. After it has been completed, you simply want to open the Starlink app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. For that, tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on the sign in option. Now it will direct you to a web page. Here you want to enter your email address, then enter your password and tap on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, in order to change your password, you want to scroll down a bit and here you will find the option of settings. Tap on that. Now under router configuration, you want to select the option of Wi-Fi network that you want to change. Now you want to erase your previous password and create a new one. Once you have entered a new password, tap on the save button at the bottom of your screen. And in this way, you can easily change your Starlink password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.